Let's take a look at this problem. We've got square root of x plus 21 plus 7 is equal to 3x. And I want to solve it. Well, our first step is to get a radical by itself. It's not quite by itself. We got a 7 over with it. So I'm going to take that 7, move it to the right side. And we got square root of x plus 21 is equal to 3x minus 7. Well, step 2, raise both sides to a power equal to the index. This is a square root. Our index is 2 by default, so we'll square both sides. So we got square root of x plus 21 squared is equal to 3x minus 7 squared. Now over on the left side, when your index matches the power you're raising to, they cancel each other away. So we got x plus 21. And over on the right side, 3x minus 7 squared is 3x minus 7 times 3x minus 7. 3x times 3x is 9x squared. 3x times negative 7 is negative 21x. Negative 7 times 3x is negative 21x. Negative 7 times negative 7 is positive 49. So we've got x plus 21 is equal to 9x squared. Negative 21 is negative 42x plus 49. And we're down to step 3. Step 3 says if more radicals, go back to step number 1. We don't have any. Step 4, solve for x. So I'll take 21, move it to the right side, and I'll take the x and move it to the right side. Remember, when you take anything across your equals, your sign changes. So we've got 0 is equal to 9x squared minus 42x, and this x becomes a negative x, plus 49 takes 21 over and becomes a negative 21. So we've got 0 is equal to 9x squared, negative 42x, negative x is negative 43x. 49 minus 21 is 28. Well, that don't look very nice. Guess we got to factor that. This is a key number. The reason why I know it's a key number is because we have x squared, x, no x, there's a number in front of your x squared. So we're going to take the number at the beginning times the number at the end, ignoring signs. So we've got 9 times 28 gives us 252. 2, 7, 18. Yeah, 252. And then come up with our 3 columns. We'll write down all products give us 252. 1 times 252. 2 times 126. 3 times 84. 4 times 63. 5, no, 6 times 42. 7, yeah, 7 times something. 7 times 36. Yeah. No, let me think. Yeah. Okay, 8. No. 9. 9 times 28. 10. No. 11. No. 12. Yeah. 12 times 21. I don't know if there's anything else, but surely one of those got to be right. So let's see what we have so far. The S column, we add these together. 1 plus 252 is 253. 2 plus 126 is 128. 3 plus 84 is 87. 4 plus 63 is 67. 6 plus 42 is 48. 7 plus 36 is 43. 43. Okay. And then 9 plus 28 is 37. 12 plus 21 is 33. Subtract them. Smaller from larger. 252 minus 1 is 251. 126 minus 2 is 124. 84 minus 3 is 81. 63 minus 4 is 59. 42 minus 6 is 36. 36 minus 7 is 29. 28 minus 9 is 19. 21 minus 12 is 8. 9. Yeah, 9. Okay, the number we're looking for is a number in our middle term, which is 43, which is right here, which means we use 7 and 36. Now we're going to rewrite our middle term using those two numbers. Now our larger number in the P column that we're going to use, which is 36, will always be the same sign as the middle term, which is negative. The number I circled is in the S column, S for same signs, so if 36 is negative, then the 7 has to be negative. Now we're going to factor by grouping. The first group, they have a 9x in common, and that gives us x minus 4. Second group doesn't have any x's in common, but they are both divisible by 7, and my first term is negative, so I factor out negative 7. And that gives us x minus 4. Now notice these both have x minus 4 in common, so I can factor that out. And then that gives us 9x minus 7. Remember, to see what goes in your second set of parentheses, you can cross out the x minus 4s. Okay, zero factor property. Zero factor property says you get 0 on one side, you factor the other side, you set each factor equal to 0. So I'll set x minus 4 equal to 0, and I'll set 9x minus 7 equal to 0. And we got x is equal to 4, and this one will take the negative 7 over, becomes a positive 7. Divide both sides by 9. And we got x is equal to 7/9. Well, let me check the 4. Put 4 in here. 4 plus 21 is 25. Square root of 25 is 5. 5 plus 7 gives us 12 on that side. If I put 4 over here, 3 times 4 is 12. Someone checks. 7/9. Let me use calculator. Okay, this left side, I'm going to plug in 7/9 for the x. So I got square root, second, x squared, 7 divided by 9, plus 21. And I'll put a closing parentheses on that square root, and then plus 7. Which tells me that the left side is equal to 11.666667. Now let's also plug in the 7/9 on the right side. So we got 3 times 7 divided by 9, inner. 7, let me see if I did that right. 7/9 plus 21 plus 7 gives me that. And then 3 times 7 divided by 9. Give me different answers. So that means that one doesn't check. I don't know what made me think it was going to check, but x equals 4 is our only answer.